The Oragene.DNA Assisted Collection Kit is designed to collect saliva samples for DNA analysis and testing. Oragene.DNA is easy to use and completely non-invasive, making it ideal for the collection of human saliva samples by a parent or a trained professional. Included inside the kit are user instructions, 2 sponges, a collection tube with attached funnel, and a small cap. Do not allow those requiring supervision to handle the sponges or small cap, as they may present a choking hazard. Check sponge for damage between each collection and before inserting it into the donor's mouth. Use the second sponge, provided as backup, if the first sponge shows any signs of wear or tear. Do not substitute with any other sponges or swabs. Donor should not eat or drink 30 minutes prior to sample collection. Keep donor in an upright position during the sample collection. To begin, tear open the bag containing the sponges at the notch and remove one sponge. Place one sponge in the donor's cheek pouch. Gently move the sponge along the gums and inner cheeks on both sides of the mouth for 30 seconds to soak up as much saliva as possible. Assistance may be required to hold the donor during the collection. Once the sponge is saturated with saliva, insert the sponge in the V-notch of the funnel. Wring saliva out of the sponge using a gentle twisting and pushing motion against the inner wall of the V-notch. You will see saliva flow into the tube. Keep the tube and funnel upright. It may take several passes within the mouth to obtain a noticeable amount of saliva. Repeat these steps using the sponge until saliva, not bubbles, reach the fill line. Check sponge for damage each time before inserting into the donor's mouth. Replace with spare sponge as needed. Close the lid tightly by firmly pushing down until you hear a loud click. The Oragene liquid in the lid will be released into the tube to mix with the saliva. Continue to hold the tube upright while unscrewing the funnel from the tube. Use a small cap from the collection kit to close the tube tightly. Shake the tightly closed tube for 5 to 10 seconds or until the saliva and Oragene liquid are mixed. Discard sponges and funnel. The saliva sample is now ready for DNA extraction and analysis.